We're playing Defend Santa. Oh.
Remember,
yeah.
Guys, remember, left hand side.
Okay. Hey Matt, yell if you go down, all right? Hey Matt, talk to me if you go down, okay?
Terrence,
Tell me if you go down.
respond to us. If you do, you're like fish in a barrel. Still seems to be making some hits. Remember, everybody has only 2 lives on respawn. You lose those lives, you're out of the game.
Ryan, the other side of this wall.
What?
Ryan, the other side of this building.
Got it.
I've seen them be fair, already biting dust, let them on both flies. Push them hard, keep push them hard.
Hey, stairwell.
Matt, that way. Hey Matt, red house.
What?
Watch your back, red house.
The Navy SEALs are supposed to be the best in the world. Maybe out of label we all know.
Oh, not that.
Hey, watch the right side.
Oh. Yeah. Are you guys shooting at me? Okay. All right, sorry. Just trying. I wanted to watch. Excuse me.
This guy's prepared right here. You're prepared, aren't you?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
A little bit. Yeah, I got one of those little guys down there, but not too bad. My own teammates shooting me in the back there. Very unfun way to go, you know.